I'm Christian, this is Kylo, and this is our rolling home, the Condor. I went full-time almost over a year now, and about 2,100 miles later, ended up back home in Christian's old stomping grounds, reconnecting with family and making some much-needed repairs, but now it's finally time to pack up and get back on the road. Good morning. Getting ready to head to Walmart today. Got a few projects I need to get done. Oh, let me show you. Let me take a look. So I got a few homey things from Amazon. You remember I was talking about cord management? So I got one of these tube cord things. Hi. And I was able to see the HDMI cords in here, the TV's cord, soundbar, everything. So it's all in like one bundle thing. And it's more organized, so that's good. And then I bought one of these multi-outlets. That's been really handy. And it has little USB ports. And then I had to get a new sewer cap because one of the downsides to mooch docking, one of the dogs ended up chewing on one of my sewer cap. So one of the hooks, and now it doesn't hook on. Yeah. So I had to buy a replacement. Yep. Alright, let's head to Walmart. Okay. Where you at? There it is. Spray and forget. Mold remover. I think I have that. Black streak remover. I need that. I think I still have a bottle. Okay. This is what I really need. Let's see. Why is there a purple and blue one? Let's see. Clean shines. Are they the same? Streak crease shine foaming action. I'm guessing they're the same because let me get the one in the back. Dude, I just watched the movie yesterday too, and it's on sale. $30. Fuck. I have the money, but man, it's so tempting because I'm buying a bike later.
Two selected tortoises.
Kill yourself.
I think that's about it. I just have more cats and dogs.
I've seen them do that at maid cafes.
Well, no, I lied. I have 7 cats. I
want to go there just for the experience.
That is not claimed us as his home.
No, he's just me gently.
Oh! Please, man, if you're gonna me again, don't make it as hard as you me last night.
I didn't you last night.
Yes, you did.
Then say something to reassure me.
Oh, come on.
Huh? What?
So that's 3 votes and one unanimous.
God, it's full on. Double rainbow all the way across the sky. Whoa! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
A place called Osho, it's eating shower time. Don't you stand here. I heard that one.
No, when we were youth.
I'm kidding. Give you a hug.
I live here.
I'ma miss you.
I'm just gonna sleep.
You don't even think about it.
Say, please
Bye,
don't
buddy. Gonna miss you.
He kids. Oh wait, you live here. I'll still see you for tomorrow. Morning. Alright, copyright. Good morning. It's about 9 o'clock. It's storming. I have a huge headache, which is curious because I didn't drink any alcohol last night, so don't know what's going on there. Probably from all the sugar and soda and popcorn and junk last night. That's probably why. Hey, Kylo. You had fun last night? Yeah. Cleaning up all the party mess this morning. Oh, Did you stop shoving me? Yeah. Oh, this is we're doing a few repairs before I hit the road. Shane is gonna fix one of my hot water lines into the sink so I can have hot water. So I bought some piping from Home Depot and a crimping tool wherever it might be in the hardware drawer. Yeah, it's in here. I can't open it right now, but yeah, it's in there. I swear it's in there. But yeah, just gonna do some repairs before I get on the road. My new vacuum just came. I'm so excited. 8 pounds, huh? This is for me, right? Yeah. I found the perfect vacuum for the RV. Six-in-one vacuum cleaner. Ta-da! The box is a little dusty. Okay, it plugs in the bottom over here. Okay, I see now. But is this fully charged? Is the question. Woo! Want gloves?
No. I have everything but gloves. Hopefully this goes smooth.
There's the old line. Well, it finally happened. Getting ready to move the RV. And RIP alternator. The battery light came on and it's not coming off. And we just put a multimeter on it to check everything, and it's still, the light won't still come off, so. Gonna replace an alternator today. Wiggle. Got it. Oh. Slide that to the side. Having trouble getting the freaking wiring harness off, dude. I got one off, but not the other one. It's the last piece. Oh my god. Glad to be doing this here then, outside of the road, so. I know it's cold, I'm sorry. Favorite part, yeah. Good boy. See, wasn't so bad. You a burrito? Ah! Okay, get your wet butt off me. supposed to be drying out. No. Alright, taking the RV for a test drive. Ay. Color for some reason, doesn't
I'm
it?
getting in like the van again or RCA, that's what it feels like.
Alright, Shane's driving the behemoth.
You only put the parking brake on when
No.
you got it in
Like
place?
if it's in on a hill or something like that. But no, I have it in park right now. Let me double check everything before you hop in. No, everything looks good. Alright, this is the first time I'm riding in the freaking passenger seat of my own house.
Oh my god. Okay, you got it. Where is
You trying to move the seat up?
Yeah.
It's the bar right here.
Okay.
Yeah. You got it?
And yeah.
Are you scared?
No. It's fine. I'm not scared. It just feels like a semi truck. And it's just like I said, I've seen it in the same place for so long. It's like, God, it's so weird, dude.
I think it's easier. There you go. You see out the mirrors?
Yeah. I
Yeah.
can see this one. No,
Alright, Shane's driving the RV.
I can already hear the branches hitting the top.
There you go, you got it. Not bad.
Yeah, it's really smooth too, man. I don't know. So it doesn't ever feel like it's gonna like tip on you or anything like that? Like, because I heard sometimes
Like it sways?
I heard sometimes with wind and stuff like that, it can sway when you're on the highway. Like
Yeah.
that.
There you go. Yeah, slow down a little bit and then just... There you go. Yeah, you got it.
Wow, look at me. What kind of air filter do you have in here? It smells like pumpkin spice.
Yeah. You can wind the windows up if you want. I just rolled them down so you can hear everything around you.
But now biggest thing is you expect there to be a little like whoom, whoom when you hit
Yeah.
the brakes, but no, they're perfect. Everything's good. Throttle's good. First time on the road.
You're the only person I would trust to drive my house, so...
You usually try and like ride the line a little bit, or do you usually...
I just ride in the middle of the road.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Because I'm trying to stay to the left just a little bit more. 'Cause
Yeah.
I'm like right on the line right now. I can see it. I'm not going over the road.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know this feels weird for you right now being in the
Yeah.
You're like, who is this? Have you ever had to do that before?
No?
No.
God forbid. This is still classified as a new vehicle because any vehicle that's under 80,000 miles is still new, you know?
Yeah, and think, they'll let you get a driver's license and take this thing on the road, but you have to get a CDL to drive a fucking semi-truck,
Yeah.
but they'll let you drive
Because
it.
these are classified as passenger vehicles.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Or you get a Class A or something like that. It's like
Yeah.
a Class A, dude. Like, it's the same thing. A Class A is the size of a semi-truck. Like, it's one whole thing, so it's not, like, split like a semi-truck, so it's not, like, you don't need as much skill.
Oh, I'm surprised. Yeah.
Very,
All right, yeah, slow down a little bit. The
safe.
pump's on the left, yeah.
Okay.
So I guess just go into that one. Number 11, yeah. And then I'll maneuver out of here, don't worry. There you go. There you go, you got it. Not bad.
And 11's out of order.
Just go to 9. Oh. I don't know if we can pull that far in. Yeah, we should. Just go ahead. The people can fucking drive around. Yeah.
Okay, tell me when to stop. You know where it is.
Keep going. Stop. Yep, there it goes.
I want to see the video while you're driving. Okay, which way is it? I can't even see which way the camera's facing. Okay, I got it. Woo! Oh my god! POV, you can lay down in bed while going 40 miles an hour. Oh, the last little bit of homestead. So how's it feel, Christian? This is your last time driving around town, and you're going.